The HP 414A 414X toner cartridge is equipped with pre-installed chips, which means you do not need to transfer any original chips for it to function. This product package includes a set of 4 toner cartridges, making it an excellent choice for users who require multiple colors for their printing needs. Each black toner cartridge in the HP 414A series can yield up to 2,400 pages, while the color cartridges can yield up to 2,100 pages, ensuring a high page yield. The toner cartridges are compatible with a range of HP Color Laserjet Pro and Color Laserjet Enterprise printers, providing versatility for various printer models. Users can expect excellent performance with these toner cartridges, as they produce true-to-life photos and laser-quality text, enhancing the overall print quality. Manufactured by only you, these toner cartridges are designed to meet high standards of quality and reliability, making them a dependable choice for your printing needs.